direction. So it should follow this direction, like in forward direction, in backward direction, in left direction, in downward direction, in upward direction. We will give however we this is our choice, whatever we want to give, but x and y value matters. Like for the forward direction, x should be 1 and y should be 0. For similarly for the backward direction, we can give -1 and 0. This is for the backward direction. For the right and left direction, so we will explain these directions here. We will define the directions we have not passed. Now here first of all, in init function we have called the reverse method here. Just globally we should call, we are calling now grid.reverse. Then we have said that in grid MDP we have taken a base class. Base class was MDP and it was the subclass grid. So we have to initialize like which parameters we are taking from the MDP. So with the help of special operator we have to define special methods are the methods with the double underscore list was there, but we have not defined. Now we will say that list here we are talking about the directions. The directions we will give it, that will be the list. Basically it will work on the directions. Now we will give the direction and it will move, the agent will move in the grid. Now we are saying that basically in grid we have talked about rows and columns. Now we have to define them, like for x in range we are talking about columns. Then we have to get the reward of x and y. This is equals to we have to add the state. For this we have to create a function of add vectors, which we will create now. Now we are done with our, we should run once that there should be no error. X in range. We have not discussed over here that if the grid like xy can be null, so we have to define the function that if x and y are not null, then it should give us state. We have not applied here update function. We have discussed about here and we had not applied, so here we have to give update function for grid as well. We have defined this for MDP. That's why it's not taking that. What is the row? Basically, row is the length of the grid, like rows in the length of the grid, how many rows it will be in the grid. Similarly for column, now there should be no error, but it is giving some error, so we should check once that rows we have given, column here we have defined column, define no. There is any error like wide range, self.column, self.row, self.reward. Alright.